Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Okay, so we're looking at two super-automatic espresso machines, right? The Philips 3200 LatteGo and the De'Longhi Magnifica Start. Both seem pretty popular.
Yeah, I see that. The Philips is going for about $600, but it's a renewed model. The De'Longhi is also around $600, but it's brand new and currently on sale.
Right, that renewed thing with the Philips is something to consider. It's been inspected and tested, but still, the De'Longhi being new gives it an edge, I think.
Agreed. And the De'Longhi has a stainless steel grinder, while the Philips has a ceramic one. Some people prefer stainless steel for durability.
Oh, interesting. I didn't catch that at first. The Philips does have a 12-step grinder adjustment, though. Does the De'Longhi specify how many grind settings it has?
It does. The De'Longhi boasts 13 grind settings, so it seems to have even more control over the grind.
Okay, point De'Longhi. What about milk frothing? That's pretty important for cappuccinos and lattes.
The Philips has the LatteGo system, which mixes milk and air at high speed for a creamy froth. The De'Longhi has the Latte Crema hot system, which they say textures both milk and milk alternatives really well.
Milk alternatives are A+. I've been using oat milk lately, so that's good to know. What kind of drinks can each make?
The Philips offers 5 coffee options, including cappuccino. The De'Longhi also offers 5 one-touch recipes, including latte macchiato, cappuccino, espresso, coffee, and hot water.
Pretty similar in terms of drink options. What about cleaning? Because honestly, that's a big deal breaker for me.
The De'Longhi has removable, dishwasher-safe parts and an auto-clean function, which sounds super convenient. The Philips doesn't explicitly mention dishwasher-safe parts.
Okay, the De'Longhi is sounding pretty good. Its dimensions are also a bit smaller, at 17 dx 9.25 wx 14 h compared to the Philips, which is 15 dx 10 inches wx 17 h. I think the De'Longhi has the edge, especially when you factor in the price and it being brand new. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.